I'm going to show you the parts and components for the VeriLite roll cleaner assembly and explain the function of each. First, we'll start with the components that are common to both the standard and oscillating VeriLite. The VeriLite body supports the top plate, load and unload tubes, and is designed to structurally carry the blade load. The VeriLite body is a high-grade aluminum extrusion that is anodized. The VeriLite body is offered in two sizes, 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch. The size needed for your application is dependent upon the width of the roll and duty cycle needed. The top plate supports the blade and positions it correctly against the roll surface. The top plate is extruded from a high-strength aluminum and anodized for protection. Notice the blade retention cavity integrated into the extrusion. This allows for easy blade insertion and removal. There are several options available, including the straight top plate and shrouded top plate, which are both available in 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch. The main difference is that the shrouded top plate is fully sealed for harsh environments. The load tube uses air to provide the loading force to pivot the top plate and load the blade against the roll surface. The unload tube provides the unloading force to pivot the top plate and retract the blade from the roll surface. The load and unload tubes are offered in several materials to accommodate various applications and temperatures. Tube end connections provide the connecting point for compressed air. The connections are a push-to-connect style fitting. The stainless steel clamps attach to the VeriLite body to prevent rotation. For the oscillating VeriLite, the clamps attach to the bearing assembly. The mounting brackets mount the bearing clamp to the machine frame. The slots allow for proper alignment to the roll surface. Blades are used to clean the roll surface. Various material options are available depending on the application. Shims are included for alignment of the VeriLite. A control panel option is available to regulate the air pressure to load and unload the blade from the roll surface. Finally, I will review the parts that are unique to the oscillating VeriLite. The Varimatic 500 oscillator is an optional component when additional cleaning is needed. The pneumatic oscillator provides linear movement of the VeriLite across the roll surface. A filter regulator assembly is provided with the oscillator. The bearing assembly mounts to the VeriLite, allowing cross-machine motion. The oscillator bracket mounts the Varimatic 500 oscillator to the bearing clamp. The drive link with rod eye connects the Varimatic 500 to the VeriLite body. End seals keep debris from entering the bearing assembly. The Bellows Assembly keeps debris from entering the bearing assembly on the fully shrouded VeriLite X. If you have any questions about parts and components of a VeriLite roll cleaning assembly, please contact a Kadant Solutions representative.